Hey guys, so it is Thursday, currently 12:25. I'm not gonna cancel that, but yes, it's 12:25, and I promised my sister I would do loaded fries for her. So yeah, I'm not watch the here, please, because I was about that dead. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna do fries and franks with a little bacon, cheese with, mustard, mayo, she knows, mustard, mayo, and ketchup. So we'll see how that goes. So yes guys, so I'm gonna start that and see how that turns out. Gonna get myself together. What? Chop. I'm doing that one time. So we got our fries. We got our bacon. What I use all that doing? No. Okay. We got our bacon. Wait, I have something there. Wait. The sausage here. We're gonna have our franks. What else do I need? So we're gonna get our oil, and then the rest of the things I will get after I'm done frying the fries. Yes. Guys, say hi to Danny.
Hi to the vlog.
Just close the door. Why? Okay. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. We have our frankfurters and we got our fries frying. Now I'm gonna get the bacon together. So yes, let's get that done. You never catch me, you know, you. But anyways, there you are now. So yes, of course, why not? Kiss. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. She only kissed me on camera. She didn't want to kiss me this morning.
Time.
Whatever.
Kiss.
So you go. Part of love. A 4 piece of bacon in it. Look at that. Bacon. Bacon, people. Bacon.
It's just boring.
Hey guys. So I forgot to show you guys one thing, and that's the sauce. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did and all of that. So I use ketchup and mayo and some mustard, and I mixed them together, and this was the result. It's a nice creamy kind of sauce to put over the fries and everything. So we got the sauce, the fries, we have the frankfurters, and we have the bacon, which I'm gonna chop up, and we have some more fries on, and we got our shredded cheese. I want it to melt, but I don't know how that's gonna work. So if it doesn't melt, then I'll just sprinkle it on top and they make do with what they have. So I'm gonna start assembling and see how that turns out. Figure drop? We crying? I'm coming with a fork.
Where's that thing?
One now, wait one. What sauce taste? So everything tastes nice? Okay.
What?
Take a big whip of everything. Want.
Oh my god. I don't know how to
Little
do
cheese with a little that, you know?
that. I don't know how to do that.
Get it all loaded. Come on. Yay!
She going like she can't eat nothing too.
Let me see.
Use that scratch kid. That price on our quick.
Go on. Sorry. Mommy! How does it taste? You like it? It tastes good? Taste test. Them do them taste tests already. Let's do ours. Teeth. You want me fried?
I'm doing it for the camera.
I know. But maybe fried. Yeah, me understand what I mean about fried. So guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, Shani, how much you give me?
8 because I fried.
Mommy?
That's what I was going to say.
8? Keep me give myself at 8.5. And like the fries kind of spoiling. First of all, it kind of over fry. But it over fry because of what kind of chop maybe. Alright guys, so the fries, the loaded fries wasn't too bad. But I have to say that the fries, it's because of the fries why it's actually why it gets so low for us. We just don't eat it, and like the fries, because it suck up so much oil, kind of make me feel bad, so we had to drink like milk or something like so. But all I have to do is just make sure next time we buy the right fries, fry it properly, and then we're all good, because everything else in it, it's shot. So yeah, as you heard, I got 8 and 8.5 for myself. we basically gotta eat for everybody, because yeah. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you like the recipe, I'll probably type out whatever I use down below. Didn't do any like measurements or anything like that, so I'll just tell you what I use, as you guys already saw from the video. So I'll just type it out in the description down below. Comment down below if you ever try doing this or whatever. If you do, you know, tag me in it so I can actually see it. If it's on Facebook, Insta, Twitter, anything, just tag me in it so I know if you guys try doing this loaded fry. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.